First thing you want to do after installing this is you want to set the lock direction. So you want this in the unlocked position, and you're going to enter a code to tell this to figure out which way is locked and which way is unlocked. And you do that by entering your master code 0000. Press the lock button, press 0, and then the lock button. And the deadbolt's going to come out and go back in and beep twice. If it beeps 3 times and this doesn't move, you did something wrong. So when I first did this, I noticed that when I opened this up, there was a little, it like caught a little bit somewhere here. So I tried entering that code a bunch of times and it didn't work. So what I ended up doing was I put it in the lock position. I did that same code, 0000 lock 0 lock, and it went back in. And then I did that factory reset, did it again, and it reset something in here. So if that's something that you're having trouble with, try that and that should work. So now that that is set up, it knows which way is locked and which way is unlocked, we can keep going.